Turn it over.
Ah! No! No, 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 no!
Oh my god.
What is going on?
Why is it that the easiest, most slight free trick that I perform gets the best reaction?
I can't deal with it. I can't get my head around it.
Time. After time. After time. Is it just that it's easy to do? Is it the beauty of the prop? Is it that it happens in the spectator's hand? Or is it all about the plot? What makes a magic trick truly great?
So, you want to know about magic tricks, do ya? Well, I'm going to tell you a story. Sure, everyone knows that the Magic Circle is the most famous magic club in the whole world, and that King Charles is a special lifelong member. But what you might not know is that the King has a membership to a slightly more exclusive magic society, the Noble 52. 52 of the world's greatest magicians were personally invited by royal decree to join this special magic society. To mark his coronation to the throne of Great Britain and the Commonwealth, the King had 52 special coins minted for each one of the nobility. He also printed 52 special decks of golden cards, which he personally hand-delivered to each and every one of his noble men. Although membership to the Noble 52 is top secret, if you do ever happen to see a magician holding a beautiful deck of golden cards and a matching coin with old Charlie Boy's head on it, then you'll know he's one of the world's best. Welcome to the King's Secret.